Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vega X Executor mobile. First, you'll need to download the official Vega X Executor application. Make sure you get it from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Next, confirm that your mobile device meets all the minimum operating system requirements for smooth performance. Finally, grant all necessary permissions the application requests during installation. This ensures Vega X can function correctly on your device, setting you up for the next steps. Once Vega X is set up, the next step is finding and using scripts. You'll want to locate reliable game scripts from reputable online communities or dedicated websites. After finding a script you wish to use, simply copy the entire script code to your device's clipboard. Then, open the Vega X Executor application and paste the copied script into the designated input field. This prepares the script for execution within your chosen game environment. With your script pasted, it's time to execute it. Simply tap the Execute button within the Vega X Executor application. You should then observe the script activating and making changes within your game. Look for new features, abilities, or modifications as intended by the script. If you encounter any issues, a good first step is to clear the application's cache. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the application for a fresh start. To ensure the best experience and security, always use the latest version of Vega X Executor. Developers frequently release updates that improve performance and patch vulnerabilities. Be very cautious of unofficial or modified versions, as these can pose significant security risks to your device and personal data. Also, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy. Staying updated and safe is key to a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.